Hi guys, in this video I would like to touch additional attribution models inside Campaign Manager. I don't think there's enough talk about this, and it gives us additional layer to how our campaigns are performing based on what we want to accomplish. Is it a brand awareness campaign? Is it conversion oriented campaign? So there are four main types of attribution. By default, we have last touch, but it's not the only one. We have first touch, last touch, linear, and position based. So first touch, as the name suggests, attributes all the credits for the conversion to the first click that customer saw. So it may be that they saw sponsored display ad first. So in this case, all the credit for the sale is going to go towards first touch. Then by default, last touch is enabled in the campaign manager, and everything you see inside your campaign managers is actually last touch attribution. So all the credit goes to the last clicked ad. Now both of these have their pros and cons. So as first touch helps you understand how shoppers are discovering your brand, as I said, and ignoring everything else which happened after the first click or first view. Similar to that, last touch ignores everything that happened before that. So if you run your sponsor brand ads on your brand name, and then somebody typed your brand, clicked on that particular keyword that you're advertising, your branded keyword, and they convert, you would think that they actually converted because of your branded keyword, but their decision was made before that. Now we have the third one, the linear one. It's a balance because it splits the attribution towards all of the touch points. So if your customers saw your sponsored display, then saw your streaming TV, then sponsored product ad, all of these three types of ads, three types of campaigns will get 33% of attribution, which may sound fair, but if that works for you, yeah, you can use it. But I don't like it that much, because it's kind of general approach and it's not aligned towards what you want to see. As I said, if you're running specific campaigns only for awareness, or are they oriented towards the conversions? Then the last one is position based, which kind of evaluates the impact of the actual sale. So was it more towards, and you get to choose if it's going to be more like 70% towards the first click and 30% towards the last click, or vice versa. So you get some kind of a customization for that. The takeaway for you is that you should know that these four are available, and you can get the report on each one of these from the Amazon Marketing Cloud. It's not hard, just go to your Amazon Marketing Cloud, go to the use cases and type attribution, and you will see each of the reports that you can run for the first touch, last touch, linear, and position based, and you can determine what are the differences in the results when running these four types of reports, and then see the true impact of your campaigns. Because if you stick with last touch only, yeah, that gives you some kind of an idea what's happening, but for a true measurement of the performance of your campaigns with a really fine-tuned strategies that you run through PPC, this is where you need to go. Let me know if you need any additional help on this topic, and I'll be glad to answer them in the comments. See you tomorrow with the next video. Bye bye.